welcome back to Solution TV, and we have an unboxing on our hands. This is something really special. This is not any hype thing or any collaboration or anything, but this is something that I picked up recently and I am in awe with. So without talking much, let's just get into the unboxing. So these are what I was talking about. I'm pretty sure most of you have guessed already what pair this is, but for those of you who don't know, it's these Jordan 4s that came out this a couple of months ago, I guess, and they're calling these the Jordan 4 Craft Futons. Usually the Futon, that's what's written on the box. But yeah, no. So these are the pair that I've recently copped and probably the last cop for this year, because I have a lot of sneakers right now. And honestly, first impressions, they're like fucking beautiful. Look at the midsole. I think it's like aged a little. But look at this fucking color blocking on the shoe. Since I saw the shoe, I knew I had to get these because they could go with anything. That it's a safe choice, not one of those that you experiment with. But I wanted these for my daily rotation, and these are a beautiful pair. So there's suede blocking on the toe box. There's plush and a similar material used on the tongue as well. And yeah, one thing that I didn't like is this square. If you guys can see this little thing on the neck. Not a fan of this, but it's like that, those little samples that we get, but I don't know why they did this. But yeah, let's see on the other shoe. Yes, they have it on this one as well, if you can see closely. But other than that, the color blocking on this shoe is amazing. The materials that have been used seem nice, and like the suede used on the toe box is particularly nice. Apart from that, the leather feels good to the touch, quite sturdy. I don't know why this wasn't a hype release. These are fucking fire, and these would go like with any fucking thing. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just in love with these. I don't know how much of you are into 4s, because they are not the most comfortable pair to wear. 3s any day for me are the most comfy Jordans in the Jordan lineup, because 1s, 2s, 3s and 4s are the only ones I've ever worn. I haven't worn 6s, 5s or anything like that. And the Nike have been upping their game. Like, there have been complaints of QC on a few of the Nike sneakers, but these have been done pretty well. The stitching seems to be done pretty well. I don't do sneaker reviews. This is not that kind of a channel, but I simply had to show you guys what these look like. That's the sole, if you wanna see. The attention to detail and the color blocking on everything is... I really love these for the color. And yes, this is a huge shoe. I'm a size 11. So as far as 4s go, this year's Amamania release and the UNLAs are my favorites. I really love what they do with the packaging these days. Sometimes I love the boxes and the packaging more than the shoe itself. Yeah, so that's about it. That was the unboxing, guys. I really wanted to share this pair with you, because they're not a hype release, they're not a collaboration or anything, but I feel they're one of the best releases that have come out this year, and these would look really good with some Solution t-shirts and some of the pants that we have in the thrift section. So do check that out as well. And I'm sorry for not coming out with so many videos, because I'm really hectic. The work is really hectic these days with the website and the dispatches and everything, but I try as much as I can. So I thought that I should just come out with this video and show you guys my latest cop. I'm not gonna cop for at least another 6 months because I have a lot of pairs now, and I'm not some collector like who wants those walls of sneakers behind them. But yeah, so that's been about it. Just do the needful, subscribe, like this video if you like the content, and comment below if you want me to make anything new, anything that you've been wanting to tell me, anything BTS, what all goes behind the brand and everything. I'll be happy to make those videos for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. जाओ, हो गया.